Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study effectively using a timetable step by step. First, take a moment to understand your existing schedule and how much time you can realistically dedicate to studying. Pinpoint those hours when your brain is most active. This is crucial for maximizing your efforts. Also, ensure all your books, notes, and digital resources are ready to go. This foundational step sets you up for success. Now, let's structure your study blocks. Divide your larger academic goals into smaller, more digestible chunks. This makes them less daunting and easier to tackle. Assign dedicated time slots for each subject, ensuring a balanced approach across all your courses. Remember to integrate brief, 5-minute breaks after every 25 to 30 minutes of intense focus. This technique, often called the Pomodoro method, significantly boosts concentration and prevents burnout. Integrating breaks and review is vital for long-term retention. After completing 2 or 3 study blocks, reward yourself with a longer break, around 30 minutes, to fully recharge. Crucially, set aside dedicated time each week for reviewing past material. This spaced repetition strengthens your memory. Also, understand that life happens. Build in some flexibility. Your timetable is a guide, not a rigid prison, so feel free to adapt it when necessary. Finally, consistency and evaluation are key to sustained success. Commit to following your new timetable for at least 1 full week to establish a routine. After this initial period, take time to honestly assess what worked well and what didn't. Are you feeling overwhelmed, or are you making good progress? Based on your self-assessment, don't hesitate to fine-tune your schedule. Continuous improvement ensures your timetable remains an effective tool for your academic journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.